if you have BMW and after accident it doesn't work, doesn't want to start, what you want to do is take it apart, this positive, this one in the trunk, the positive cable, and this one gonna be explode. If airbag deploys, this deploys as well, explode the cable. What you want to do with sandpaper, clean inside and pound it back, and that's it. You're gonna fix the problem. Well, the best way is to change the cable itself, a dealer or whatever you can buy. But if you want to just drive couple, you know, just a little bit, go ahead, pound it back together. It's actually, yep. Hopefully it's helpful to you. Have a good one.